Hello, my name is Thomas Register. Welcome to How Do I Apply for Impact Healthcare? And you may be asking yourself, how do you apply for Impact Healthcare? Make sure you stay for the entire video. Don't check out before we check out. I have some very important information to share with you. Um, Connect with me on this channel. You can follow me on Facebook, and there's also the link that's included in the description under this video. So make sure you follow me, look at the link, stay for the whole video. Do those three things and we are good to go. So let's get started. All the decisions are made at the kitchen table. People are asking, how can they afford expenses of today? And one of the things is healthcare. Impact Healthcare is not an insurance. It's a resource where members come together and allow you to take advantage of savings that you would not do on your own. We are the alternative. As you know, people are using Uber. Uber is the antidote of what taxis used to be now. Now you can just look at your phone and take advantage of transportation. Airbnb is what hotels used to be. Now you don't have to just stay in a room. You can take advantage of the entire home and be with your family. Now you have healthcare sharing. What it is to what traditional insurance used to be. We are saving people up to $9,000. And there's some great things I'd like to share with you at the end of this video. So once again, stay to the end of this video that we can go over that. People are hurting. Business owners are hurting. Business owners are setting aside money just to pay for their expenses when this expense comes up. Going to the emergency room could cost you $5,000 out of pocket if you don't have insurance. And I know. An hour and 30 minutes inside of an emergency room just for a sciatic, few pictures, $5,000. With healthcare sharing, your emergency visit could be as less as $150. So, how do you apply for Impact Healthcare? There's a link going to be here in this video where you go onto it. But unlike most, I should say, procedures, people get on the phone. You call an 800 number and you get all these other companies call you. That doesn't happen here. You're allowed to go onto the link. Someone will call you back and they go over how you set up your account, how it works. They'll go over all the technical terms that you can sit and study and go over. We won't go over that too much in detail here, but we're going to just go over mostly of the how to get started and the advantages of healthcare sharing. And those are the few things that I've shared with you, and it's been phenomenal. It's been helping people. We've been helping people. People are looking for antidotes, and you're at the right place and you're at the right time, and you can take advantage of that. You could go into this and see what things are available. Some pre-existings are not. We don't hold that against you. So if you have some pre-existing conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, we don't hold that against you. And so those are some of the great things that you could take advantage of. We've helped individuals as well, but for the most part, I can talk about the business side because I'm a traditional business owner. So you can have the group policies for your employees and things of that nature. So for those of you that have stayed to the end of this video, one of the greatest things we have is open enrollment. You do not, and I'm so excited, you do not have to wait to the end of the year to start this. You can start right here and right now. So why are you waiting? Let's get started. Go to the link and see where you stand and compare the savings. The second thing that I like to share with you, being that you stayed to the end of this video, you can go out of your network. There is no restrictions as far as if you need to go out of your network. We had one of our executives share that her mom was sick and she was allowed to stay with her while she was getting her treatments, but more so she was able to go take her from Maryland to Virginia to another specialist outside of the network. Pretty cool, right? So follow me, this channel, get to the link. All that is here in the bottom of this video. Looking forward to answer any questions that you have. Follow me once again on Facebook as well. And you have a great day. Thanks for joining us. Thomas Register, Impact Health Share.